This is Jonathan Cheever, American Standard athlete, Olympic snowboarder, and licensed plumber. I'm here to talk to you about the new American Standard flash shower valve. It's smaller in size, it has a flat back, and most importantly, it's designed to save the plumber some time. Right now, we're going to install it on a 2x4 wall. Here at American Standard, the engineers have got some great feedback from the tradesmen, and our shower valve's smaller. It has this flat back, so it fits flush against the 2x4, and it saves the plumber time because we're not cutting strapping anymore to get a secure fit for the shower valve. This will also keep your pipes from shaking around. We have our American Standard flash shower valve mounted to our 2x4 wall. And some of the new features with the shower valve are this retaining ring along with the test cap. So we don't have to worry about losing any parts on the job. The cartridge is sold separately with the trim. And the nice thing about this retaining ring is the flats on it. We could easily get a pair of channel locks or a wrench around the ring.